a friend indeed. One day it was raining heavily. Tikku Tigers then started to float. He ran to Fancy Fox for help. "Oh, there is no space in my den," said Fancy. Then Tikku went to Mikku Monkey. "Oh, you are too wet. My house will get wet," said Mikku. Poor Tikku walked on and reached Bibi Bear. "Come inside," said Bibi. He gave him a warm blanket and lots of honey to drink. Tikku understood that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you, sir. Good night.